Okay, this is hopefully a really quick video to show you how to make flashcards on Sway. So if you look on your desktop, you should have this Office 365 icon. If you do not, you can go through Clever to get to Office 365. Either way works completely fine. You may or may not need to log in with your username and password. And you are going to come to this page, so Office 365 page. You're going to see either icons right here or across the top. You are going to find the one. There's two that have S, SharePoint, don't want that. You want the one that says Sway. You're going to click on that one. You are going to start from a blank. It's going to pop up, and I am going to hit this plus first because I don't want to forget. This is probably the most important part. The plus, and I want to hit this thing that says stack. This is how I can make flashcards for any subject, but right now we're going to be doing them for math. I want to put in a background just because I think that's kind of fun. So I'm going to click right here. It says background, and I'm going to do 7 because I'm going to do my 7 times table. So I'm going to look, wow, is there a neat 7 I can find? Well, I kind of like, let's see, I like this 7 right here. So I'm going to add that right there. And then I'm going to put 7 times tables. And then right here where it says add content, I'm going to add, and of course I would need it to be text. And I'm going to put in my 7. Remember, for times, we're going to use the X. 7 times 7, the equal usually is on the top. 7 times 7 equals, well, if we are practicing our times tables, we know that 7 times 7 equals 49. And I'm just going to keep clicking this and adding text. Now I want 7 times 0. Need to practice those two. 7 times 0, if we've been practicing, we know that that is 0. And I'm going to go ahead and make all my 13. I'll go all the way from 7 times 0 to 7 times 12. And then, I'm not going to do that today, but when I get to the end and I've made all of them, then I can hit where it says play. And you will see, now when you come here, you might have it over here on the side. It also might be where you need to scroll up. And then here, I just have it on the side, so I'm going to hit where this is right here. Important part, it's going to make it bigger. And there, look at, I have 7 times 7. And then I can look, oh, it's 49. 7 times 0, oh, what is that? It's 0. And I can just go all the way. I can just keep practicing. So when I have it, I can just practice and practice and practice and practice. I'm going to click out of this when I'm done. I want to make sure I share this with Mrs. Roberta so that I can get credit. So I'm going to copy this. Make sure you left click on that so you can copy that. Then I will need to hit Control C. I'm going to go to my email right here. And hopefully you know how to email Mrs. Roberto. And Mrs. Roberto's first name, if you remember, is Allison. It'll be a little quicker if you look it up that way. And then I'm just going to Control V, which will paste it. And then I can just write, these are my 7 times tables. And then I'm just going to hit send. And that way Mrs. Roberta will have my Sway. Okay? And hopefully that helps you, that video. Bye-bye.